Welcome, this is the first lesson from new Slavs Make Games online teaching tutorial. From book GD script Godot 3.1 Game Engine Scripts. Book link in the description. First, you need to create a new project. In the project list, click once at the New Project button. After that, start writing project name in the input field. Click on Create Folder button. The renderer will be OpenGL 3.0, so just click on Create and Edit. In Create Root Node menu, select and click 2D Scene. You can change the node name from Node to D. Just click once on Node 2D and write a name for a node. Now, you can add a new script to your root node. Click the right mouse button once. In the context menu, select to attach the script. Attach node script dialog will appear. Use the default template in GD script and click Create. You will see the default script with some comments. Hello World example. Click line below Ready function. This line have pass command and comment. Select line content with mouse drag and write print command syntax as in the video. Click on the play button to run a project. Before the first play of your scene, you will need to save it. Your 2D scene will be empty, and you can close it. Just look at the output window to see your Hello World text.